Country boy diverted to a country thug. Let me tell you about how I grew up. Yeah, I grew up in Hart County High. Produced a bunch of drug dealers that knew how to get high. That be about that life. We from Hart County High. They teach us how to sack bags up and out. They sack the liquor bag, dub bags too. In the back of the class, I think Mr. Ash, dude. Hey, he let us roll dice, play tongue too. Hey man, I think we played every day, dude. Man, we addicted to getting figured, we some gold getters. Hey, the class of 2005, we real killers. Hey, check our resume or pull our card. I guarantee every plug say I flood hard. Hey, I flooded streets with the best trees. Hey, I done flooded streets with nothing but the G's. Hey, I went up the hill, I took a bunch of pills. Good God, they give me cold chill, cause I made $500,000 last year by itself. Hey, I did it all myself with no help. Hey, it started off with a little too, but them phony homies they got the getting, dude. You know them, hey, yeah, them hungry, yeah, go the motherfucker that, hey, eat off your bro, hey, eat off your plate, cause they can't eat for their face. We all hungry, we all like to get a taste. I wake up every morning with a smile on my face. I guarantee you, I'm gonna get paid. Please, the God, just send me an angel. I got phony homies coming at me at every angle. Hey, yeah, they trying to make me strangle, but I can breathe. Yeah, I stand on my feet. Yeah, I'm grown and alone. Hey, I gotta do it on my own. All by myself, I got to get on. It ain't gonna take but one platinum hit, dude. They just plug me in, make a hit. They get $1 million, maybe half of it. Hell, I'm good with a couple dollars, I'm legit. Hey, I'm broke as hell, I'm on the bottom, I ain't rockin', dude. Cause I ain't been about the life, I'm trying to stop it too. I tried to, divorce that street. Hey, I met a new freak, I call her, my beat. Yeah, I'm married to the beat, it's inside of me. Hey, yeah, I jug to the beat, 1, 2, 3, hey. I am certified with a mouthpiece. I know how to talk. I'm a super freak. Hey, I'm class of 2005. Look in my eyes. Hey, I think you can tell by the way I smile, yeah. Hey, I can help your bitch at probably choosing me. Hey, she came June, she leaving with DC. Cause I'm in that fold, sitting low. Hey, got them 24, got them tucked under, bro. I don't fuck with 4x4, I fuck with 2. I got that low package, I'm ready to do. Hit a lick, ayy, flips in that thing, ayy, get up on Saturday and hit the yard sale, man. Hit the yard sale, rule around Atlanta. Hey, at that night we getting Chandler, getting cheddar, getting cash. Yeah, we flip it double up. That why they call me and my papa, double up. Cause everything we do, we jug every day. I don't do no hunting, I don't fish today. But I get paid, I get cash every day. I can live day to day, yeah, I get paid. I'll be okay, on this face. Cause this face card, it pays its own way.